Hello everyone, it's Dr. Durst with RevitalyzeMD, and today we're going to talk about hands and how they age us and how we should treat them. So our faces we treat frequently. We're looking in the mirror and we're keeping those young. But what does age us is our neck, our chest, and our hands because they go untreated. We ignore those treatments. And so today you're going to see a live video of a hand treatment of mine. And so basically we're filling in some volume and we're using a treatment and filler that will actually improve texture over time as well. So before we get started with this live video of my hand filler treatment, I want you to like and subscribe and help us get you more content. So with this hand treatment, we're using a filler called Radiesse. And this is a biostimulatory filler that basically is going to improve collagen and elastin in an area that's treated and also fill volume. Right here, what we're doing is we're taking Radiesse and we're kind of prepping it or preparing it. And we add a little lidocaine so it just spreads a little bit more and a little more numbing. And that's what we're doing to prepare for this treatment. And again, you can use other fillers, but we actually love Radiesse because not only can Radiesse fill in different areas, not only just the hand, but you can use it in the hand, you can dilute it down, and you can use it in the chest or neck to stimulate collagen and elastin and tighten up skin in the neck and the chest. And again, neck, chest, and hands age us over time because we don't treat them. So here what we're doing, it's a very comfortable procedure. We just are numbing there just to create an entry point. So that is a stick with a very small needle to numb. And then this creates an entry point and the rest of it's a cannula, no needle. So now we're putting the cannula in and then we're gonna go ahead and take it into the web spaces in the hands, those areas where in between the tendons that we can see, that volume that's lost over time. And likewise, we get crepey skin over time and you're gonna see amazing results with this, even in the skin texture after. So here, and sometimes we'll have certain areas that are harder to get to because, you're going through the skin, you'll have some, fibrous bands there and it's very comfortable. It's not at all an uncomfortable procedure that you should shy away from, and it's quick. I mean, this is definitely a needed procedure. This is a must, a no-brainer for women to de-age their hands. Don't let somebody look at your hands and your neck and your chest and be able to age you just based on that, but you've done everything to take care of your face. We need to take care of our hands as well. And this is perfect. It's a quick procedure and it's gonna fill it out and it's gonna look beautiful. So after we fill this out, then frequently we'll have the patient either sit on their hands for a little while just to smooth it out all over, or we'll massage the areas like she's doing now when she's injecting. And again, Radiesse is a great treatment here. You can use other fillers and they can use needles. There's different ways to do it, but this is the most comfortable and uniform treatment. And that's why we do this with the cannula and with Radiesse. So a little bit about Radiesse as we go to the second hand here is that, again, fillers are frequently hyaluronic acids, and you can definitely use that kind of filler here in the hand. But with HA fillers or hyaluronic acid, you get no biostimulatory effects. So you get no stimulation of collagen or elastin or improvement in the skin texture. You're just going to get volume replacement. Where Radiesse is made of calcium crystals, to keep it very simple, and those will do filling and volume replacement, but it also is going to stimulate collagen and elastin that's lost over time in the skin as we age. And so therefore the texture in the skin is going to improve significantly over a couple months. And again, starting off with, a certain amount of volume and then readdressing and seeing if there's anything else that needs to be added. So laser treatments are another thing that can be added to this. We can lift pigment with those age spots, and that's actually something we include in our hand treatments, is some filler that IPL that's going to lift some pigment because we get that. Again, our hands are exposed to absolutely everything. We're driving, anytime we're out, and frequently people will put sunscreen on their face, but they won't put it on their hands. And then they're washing their hands. So even if they put it on, it's off. So This is an area that gets way too much exposure and damage, and we just leave it untreated. So look for these before and afters. Again, it looks great after, but it looks even better a month or two later. All right, that's the end of this procedure. And so thank you so much for watching the entire video, and like, subscribe so we can get some more content out there for you. And then again, give us any feedback, anything else you want to hear about, because we're here to revitalize your look, your health, and your sex life. Thank you.